All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm working with hot braids, you guys. This is bulk braiding hair. Here's everything that they sent me. I've got a comb, edge brush, some clips, and here is the hair that I'm working with to do my mini twist. Yes, it is a mini twist season, you guys, and since your girl has fine hair, I am adding some extensions. So for my actual braids, I'm using this Jerry curl braiding hair, and then I'm gonna add some loose hair in. So I've got two different textures right here. The one that I'm pulling right here to the right, this is the semi-loose curl. Make sure you check the description box. I'll have the direct link to both of these. I'm actually gonna show you guys two different ways to install this hair, doing more of a loose twist style, loose mini twist, and then something a little bit tighter and fuller. So stick around. This is a very detailed video for you guys. And here I'm just showing you the products that I'm using today, just going in between two different gels. And then of course, using my melanin leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair before getting started. So y'all, I always start with the front of my head. Make your parts as big or as small as you want to. In my opinion, the smaller they are, the longer they end up lasting, but it's totally up to you. And in total, you guys, this style, when I show you both of them, it probably took me around 4 hours or so to do. And that's me combining both the ways. I'm going to show you how you can install this hair. But let me go ahead and tell you guys, the package I received from them was awesome. Y'all, the hair was perfect, like no smells, no tangles, no nothing. It says a lot when a company sends you, like how they send out their stuff. So packaging for me is always a really big deal because it speaks volume, in my opinion. It just lets you know that the company cares about their product and they want to put the best out there. So as far as how I'm going to install this first round, you guys, I'm doing it more of a looser twist, mainly because my hair cannot take a lot of stress at this point. So how I'm installing this, I did a braid at first and then I'm just gonna twist all the way down, kind of doing like a Senegalese twist, but keeping it a little bit on the looser side, you guys. Also, I didn't fluff this hair up as much as it could have been, and that's what makes a difference between how your hair is gonna come out. So if you like the looser twist style, you don't want it super tight, because a lot of people don't like a super tight twist, and you just want something a little bit more carefree, a little bit more undone, then just grab the hair as is. Don't really fluff it up too much and start braiding however you're going to install it. And your twist will come out on the looser side. They will still stay in, but they won't be as tight. So that's how I did it the first go around. And then when you see me in the black shirt towards the end, I'm going to show you guys the difference that it makes when you really fluff the hair up and you twist tighter. So that's all I'm doing here, you guys. Just taking some gel, adding a little bit to each braid, loosely twisting all the way down up until about an inch, I guess, or so down the braid. And then as I got a little bit towards the bottom, I really loosened up the grip, basically just to give myself more of a curl. That's it. So whenever I do any kind of mini twist styles, I always get compliments about how natural they look and how people really can't tell that I've added hair to them. And that's basically because I don't use too much hair, but I use enough. I don't really know how best to explain it, but you don't want to overdo it. My hair is already fine. You guys know my hair is already fine. The people that I live with know I have fine hair. It doesn't make sense for me to add a whole bunch of hair to my head, especially if I'm going for the look like this go around right here of it's just growing out of my head, and these braids are all mine. Like, this is all of my hair. So that's just a little tip for you, especially for my fine hair girls. Don't overdo it with the hair. They give you more than enough hair, y'all. You will not run out, but just be careful about how much you add to each braid. All right, y'all. So next I'm moving on to the semi-loose curl. I wish I would have had this a little bit longer of a length, simply because I'm crocheting them in, because, you know, I don't know how to add it into the braid and all that kind of stuff. So I've been doing this way for over 2 years now, and it works for me. It stays. So all I'm doing is on maybe every other braid or just kind of random braids, I'm just crocheting the hair, double knotting it randomly. So some of them I'll do at the base, some of them I'll do towards the very end. This go around I didn't do too much hair, you guys, with this loose curl. I added just a little bit in just to give me a little bit more curl, but just hold on a bit. I'm going to show you in just a second how it looks when you add all of the hair basically in and give you a much more fuller look. All right, you guys, so for this next look, I'm gonna show you how I got this side right here. So this is the normal side. I'm just going to really fluff up this hair, you guys, and I ended up retwisting my braids and making them a lot tighter. So number one, really fluff the hair up, really fluff the hair out, get it as nice and as much volume as possible. And then I twisted really tight. I twisted much tighter than you saw me before, so you see a lot more definition. You actually see defined twist. Again, just showing you two different ways of doing it. So you really have some options with how you want your little curly bob to come out. If you want the twist to just be looser, that kind of mimics more mini twists to me, like a looser twist, or you just want them to be a lot tighter, go for what you know. And then as far as getting that curlier look, so if you really want the curls, which not everyone does because they don't want to maintain it, I get it, trust me. But if you want the curls, you have to add in more hair. So I'm taking that loose curl, that semi-loose curl that I used before from HOTBRAIDS, and I'm just adding a lot more pieces in, y'all. Just taking small pieces, crocheting them in and double knotting them as well. And then the way to make sure the hair is going to stay once you crochet it in, I tug on one side of it, and that really just gets it to stay for me. Like, I don't really know how else to explain it, but this works, y'all. And look how cute it's coming out. So this is what took a lot more of time for me. Just adding in the semi-loose curl. It's not a big deal. I just sat here and I'm rewatching Insecure, y'all, and I just added in my pieces and just got this hair to be nice and full and just gave you just a different vibe, which came out so freaking cute. So next, I'm just gonna lay my edges just a bit, and then to really define the curl, y'all, just grab some mousse. I'm using this Tresemme curl mousse or whatever, a mousse, some type of foam, some type of curl enhancing something. I wouldn't use a cream. I would definitely stick with the foam. And I'm just going in and just defining those curls, really making them pop, which is something I didn't do the first time. And this made all the difference. It's really giving that curly bob boho look, and it came out so freaking cute, you guys. So here's just a couple styles. Here's the finished look. Y'all, make sure you check out this hair. I think you will absolutely love it. Let me know if you have any questions. This is the style for the summer. You got so many options as well on how you want your hair done, how you want to keep your hair, how you want to style it. I hope this video gave you guys some hair info for the summer. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.
If somebody's heaven, tell me who.